Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Python in Cursor AI. In order to do so, here we are at cursor.com. And to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Cursor is an AI-powered code assistant that integrates with your development environment and helps you write code faster. If you want to use Python with Cursor, here's a general guide on how to get started. First of all, you're going to need to install Cursor AI, so you could do that here at cursor.com. Then you're going to open your IDE with a Python project or create a new Python file. Once Cursor is active, start writing Python code. Cursor will provide code suggestions, completions, and generate code snippets based on your context. You might be able to invoke the AI assistant with a keyboard shortcut or via the IDE's interface. You can write comments or doc strings describing what you want to implement, and Cursor might help generate the function or code block. For example, write a comment like number sign function to calculate factorial of a number and see if Cursor AI suggests an implementation. You can also ask it to optimize or debug your Python code. Explore Cursor AI settings in your IDE to configure how much it assists you, whether it's automatic suggestions or on-demand help. Cursor AI works best with clear comments or partial code to understand your intent. Ensure your Python environment is set up properly to run and test the code you generate. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it.